Once you have set up your ProMaker account, logged in, sent you the password, and you accepted everything on your email, this is where you will first be taken. From this point, you will have to create your plane. So create one, and let's say your plane is an 802. At this moment, you need to know on your T-boom, are you running nozzles? Are you not running nozzles? So from the center of your boom, how many nozzles do you have to the left and how many nozzles do you have to the right? So let's just say you've got 2 to the left and 3 to the right. And let's just name this N802 MA. So then you save plane. Now you're to this you've already got the plane set up. We've already configured how many nozzles are on the plane. So best thing to do now is go to launch boom configurator. So this is where you go to launch boom configurator. And if you look at this line here, it says tip number 123. You can scroll all the way over and make sure that you have 111. The way we set this up with 5 belly nozzles, it gave us 111 total valves on the SwathPRO system. So now we gotta go pick our tip. So this is for the one time we make our tip configuration, and then when we're building our profiles by setting this up, we do not have to figure out where the tips are, which ones are straight streams, which ones are deflected flat fans, or whatever. So let's go in here and let's say on the very outside we have a 40-degree flat fan, standard 40-degree flat fan. And it's a tip size of, let's say, a 20 with no deflection. I'm going to keep this color. And number 2, let's say we have a 40-degree flat fan, but it is a deflected. So it's also number 20, but it's a 45-degree deflection. We'll keep this color. If you want to change colors, you can click on this and pick from different colors around here. We'll change it to that one. And then let's say your third one is a straight stream, and it's not one that's picked on this. Say it's a T-jet or something like that. So you hit custom. Let's also say that's a 20. And I usually like putting in like T-jet straight stream, and we'll just keep it a gray. So now we have our tip sizes set up. So, and we go from outside in. So now let's go over here to the right, and let's say we start at number 1, and we're going to the center of the plane. Is you need to figure out where the center of the plane is. So the center of the plane is at 55.5, so we'll just say 56. 56, and since we're set up on every third, boom configuration, tip configuration, number 1, let's change every third. And then we'll jump this one to 111 every third. You won't see these change. The colors change right now because I'm actually just telling it that number 1 needs to be on there. So now let's go to starting from number 2. So this is our second one, our standard with our 45. We'll also go to number 56, tip configuration number 2, and then we'll hit every third. So now as you see, those change to brown. and then we'll go to 110. So from the other side, the second one in from the right side is also that deflected, and we'll hit every third. And if you want to see, we change this side. Now we go to number 3, and then change this to number 3, and hit every third. And as you can see, those turn gray. And then go 109 right here. Keep that at 56. And tip configuration, every 3, every third. So as you can see over here. Now let's say that you have more straight streams in the middle. So this right here is your middle, right at the middle. So let's just say you wanted a bigger droplet right in the center. It's number 3, so I'd go 56. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's just say 9 of them. So to 64, it'd be just easiest. Change every. As you can see, all those are straight stream now. So if you wanted to be from the center out to just keep a little bit more, a bigger droplet there, you can change those. And let's just call it standard. Why not? So say boom configuration, jumps you back to this page. So that is how you make a boom configuration.